So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $1,400 or more in a day with a done-for-you online business that you only have to set up one time. So if you're new here, my name is Dan. I'm from Michigan. I'm a former Marine. I'm a former monk. And now I help everyday men and women make 6 and 7 figures online without having to work a job. So I started this business because my company cut my pay, and I decided I didn't want to be overworked and underpaid until the day I die. Okay. And what I love about this business is the fact that you don't have to get on the phone with people. You don't have to cold message strangers. You don't have to bother your friends and family, and you don't have to pay for ads. And the best part is the business is fully automated, which allows you to make money while you're sleeping or doing the things that you love, and you don't have to answer to a boss either. Okay. Plus, we get to keep 100% of the profit. This is not multi-level marketing. Okay. This is not affiliate marketing, which means you're not splitting your profits with anybody else. You keep 100% of the profits. Of course, this is not a get rich quick scheme. I'm not guaranteeing any results. Like results vary based on everybody. Okay. Results vary for me, results vary for everybody. Okay. So I'm going to show you how this business works. If you have any questions, just drop it in the comments. And if you want to get started with this business, just go to sevenfiguremonk.com. All right. Let me know if you have any questions about this. And in my personal opinion, this is the best business out there. This is like a unicorn business. I don't like, there's nothing that can really compare to this business. And you'll see for yourself, right? So let me first explain to you how every business on the planet works, right? You have an offer. The offer is the thing that you're selling. Okay. It can be a physical product. It can be a digital product. It can be your product. It can be somebody else's product, right? So that's your offer. The offer solves some kind of problem, right? And what I love about our offer is the fact that you don't have to create it. It's already created for you. It's a digital product, a digital program in the e-learning industry, which is $1 billion a day industry, right? And we earn 100% profit here. It's called master resale rights. So you have the resale rights to a digital product that you don't even have to create yourself. That's how you're able to earn 100% profit. Okay, so understand every business on the planet, they have some kind of offer that they're selling. Okay, every time you buy something, money goes to somebody's pocket. Every time you sell something, money goes to your pocket, right? And then step number two, you need a system. This is how you automate your business, right? Think about Amazon or anybody, any website you go to, you click and you buy, and they deliver the product, right, or service, whatever. So the system, right? The system. So how does the system work? Like we give you this done for you system. You have a capture page, okay? Like if you click on my link, you're gonna have your own link, your own domain. Okay, your domain, like my domain is sevenfiguremonk.com. Okay, that's my domain, right? You're gonna have your own domain, whatever you choose. So people go here, they go to your capture page, they put their email in, they watch videos, the videos do the selling. This is called a sales funnel. People all over the place, people are using sales funnels everywhere, okay, for different kinds of businesses, right? Capture page, they put their email in, sales funnel, the video is doing the selling, and then they're getting emails, the follow-up process, because the fortune's in the follow-up. So the emails are following up for you, and it takes people to your website where they can buy one of your products. Okay, that's how a system works, and this is what allows you to make money in your sleep. Have I made money in my sleep? Yes. Okay, so this is how we do it. We have a system, and then the strategy is, what do we do to attract customers? Because what does every business need? Every business needs customers. So there's 4 basic ways to get customers. You can pay for ads. You can do warm outreach, which means you're bothering your friends and family. You can do cold outreach, which means you're cold messaging strangers, okay? And you can post free content. That's pretty much it, okay? So we teach you how to use social media, post content on social media. There's 5 billion people on social media every day, right? So all you need to do is post content to social media to attract customers. It's that simple. It's called attraction marketing. You post 3 pieces of content a day. Like I create little 7-second videos with words on the screen. I create talking videos, stuff like that. You can show your face or do faceless. It's up to you how you want to do it. We teach you how to do everything here. Okay. A millionaire teaches you how to post content. Then you can also go live. I go live on YouTube. I go live on TikTok. Okay. You can go live on whatever social media platform you want. Okay. You go live. We teach you how to do this too. And you can also post free ads, copy, paste, post free ads to high traffic websites. Okay. I'll show you what that looks like as well. So that's the process. It's a 3-step process to making money online. If you're going to sell something, this is the process. Okay. If you're going to sell something online, affiliate marketing, multi-level marketing, whatever, you're going to be following a process where you have an offer, the thing you're selling, you have a system that automates your business, and you have a strategy for getting customers. Okay. Let me know if you have any questions. Now I'm going to show you exactly what our system looks like and our business looks like. And you can just make a decision if you want to do this business, because there's going to come a point in your life where you're going to become aware that you have a problem. You have a lack of money. Okay. You don't have enough money to do what you want to do, to be what you want to be, and to have what you want to have. You have a money problem. Okay. Now this business solves that problem. There's a lot of different money making offers out there. There's jobs. Yeah, jobs. All a job is a money making offer, by the way. There's jobs. Okay. There's side hustles. There's businesses, assets. Okay. There's different money making offers out there, and this is a money making offer, right? So like if you become aware that you have a problem, you have a lack of money, Then your next step, you're going to consider your options. Okay, am I going to get another job? Okay, am I going to try a side hustle? Which side hustle am I going to try? And then you're going to make a decision and you're going to either get another job or you're going to start some kind of side hustle, right? So we all go through this journey, right? It's called the buyer's journey. We all go through this, okay? So yes, you're on a journey. You're going to become aware that you have a lack of money at some point in your life, and then you're going to consider your options, and then you're going to make a decision. I went through this journey too, and I decided to start this business, and I have zero regrets with this business. Like I made thousands of dollars, but also you're going to learn skills. Okay, you're going to learn new skills, and you're going to upgrade your mindset. If you want to make 6 and 7 figures, you got to upgrade your mindset, and you got to upgrade your skill set. Not everybody's willing to do that. I hope you are. Okay, so if you want to learn more, go here, sevenfiguremonk.com. Check out the information. Now, when you go to my website, just enter your email, check your spam, check your promotions folder. If you have questions, make sure you watch the 2 videos. Okay, watch the 2 videos. You're gonna get free access to a Freedom Formula PDF blueprint that's gonna show you how to make your first 10K with digital marketing. This blueprint has created over 125 6-figure income earners inside of our community. Okay, so now let me share my screen and let me show you what the business looks like. This is our community, right? So here's what our system looks like. When you start this business, you get a system that looks just like this. This is called a capture page, okay? So people put their picture here. Like this is my picture, right? You put your picture there, okay? So every time somebody goes here, they put their email in, okay? They're gonna put their email in. They put their email in, and then what happens? They click there on that button, and it takes them here, okay? This is called the thank you page. So they're gonna watch this video. This video is doing the selling for you. Look at how clean this is. This is super clean. It's nice, okay? It's attractive. This is gonna make us thousands of millions of dollars. When I say us, I mean like me and people in the community, because we just upgraded this whole website recently. Okay, the old websites have already made us millions of dollars. This one's going to make us even more money because it looks even better. So I'm really excited about this. Okay, and then here's another video that we send out to people's emails. So they're going to get these 2 videos. These 2 videos are going to be doing the selling for you, right? And then it takes them here. See, they click on one of the buttons here. What happens? What happens when they do that? Yep, that's what happens. They go here. Okay, to the website. It looks something like this. Okay, this is the website. A beginner-friendly program to build online income, flexibility, and freedom. So what are we selling? 5 digital programs in the e-learning industry. Okay, it's a $1 billion a day industry. So what do we teach? This is a global business opportunity. Okay, so you're going to learn digital marketing. You're going to learn how to build a business. Okay, you're going to learn how to build recurring income streams, monetizing social media, email marketing, and affiliate marketing, create your own digital products, UGC, brand deals, TikTok shop monetization, become certified in digital marketing. Okay. So you're not just accessing income streams, you're learning how to build them. You're building multiple opportunities that can grow together. See, this is a program, okay? It's kind of like an educational program like at college, okay? Because it's live, it's interactive. You get millionaire mentoring inside of our community. So you get millionaire mentoring and you got a program that's teaching you how to build multiple streams of income. Plus you get your own business and you can resell the programs if you decide to, right? We have 59,000 people in our community. Plus we did $29 million sales, $29 million in sales in 10 months by reselling these programs paid out to our community, okay? And we teach you how to get your first customer in 7 days, right? So this is basically what the website looks like. There's testimonies on the website, okay? Beginner-friendly training, 2-hour workflow, available in English and Spanish, simple steps and tools to follow. Keep every dollar you make, 100% profit, up to $1,400 per sale. Learn to attract daily customers, okay? You're not alone doing this. There's your community, okay? We got a huge community here. So you're not alone when you're building your business, okay? Here's just like your bio section. This is where you put your picture, you put your bio here, okay? This is perfect for you if you want to make extra income from home, but you don't know where to start. Your 9 to 5 doesn't provide financial security, okay? You need a better way. You want to work from anywhere using just your phone or laptop, okay? Retirement is around the corner and you need a reliable income stream, okay? You're a busy parent looking for a flexible, family-friendly business. You've tried other opportunities but struggled to see real results. You want a step-by-step system that takes the guesswork out of online business. If that resonates with you, then this is for you. Then there's different testimonies you can watch on the website, okay? And then there's AI. We teach you how to build your business using AI, okay? And then we have a certification program or certification system thing. Like you can get certified. You can get certified. It's a certification training. Okay, you get certified. You become certified in digital marketing. You go through the certification training, and once you finish your training, you become a licensed reseller of these products, and you become certified in digital marketing. Okay, so yeah, and you get to keep 100% of the profit. That's what makes us different than everything else out there. Okay, and then it's a global business. You can get customers from any part of the world. Okay, there's a global business. You can get customers in English and Spanish. And there's just different things. Okay. So what you're going to learn inside, you're going to learn there's 6 phases. You're going to learn Phase number one, CEO mindset and clarity. Get crystal clear on what you're on your niche and who you're meant to help. Phase two, attraction. Okay, get attention and build awareness. What to post every day. Okay, phase three, engagement. Okay, build trust and relationships. How to turn views into conversations. Okay, phase four, conversion. How to invite people to your offer with confidence. Phase five, leveraging AI online. Okay, leveraging AI made easy. How to create content in minutes, not hours. Okay. And phase six, monetize, scale your business, how to add additional income streams without starting over. That's all the stuff you're going to learn inside of the programs and more. Okay. So here's the programs. It's a one-time investment, zero monthly fees. If you want to get started, one-time investment, zero monthly fees. Okay. We earn $1,400. You can make 1,400, 900, 600, 300, and 100. So people go to your website and they purchase one of the programs. And if you want to get started, you also need to purchase one of the programs. Just like I purchased one of the programs. I went with the 1,400 because it's the best. So you can only earn at the level you're at. So if you're at the 1,400, you have access to that information and you can earn 1,400 and everything below it. But let's say you're at the 100, you can only earn $100 commissions. So you want to start at the highest level possible. You can always upgrade later, right? So you purchase one of the programs, zero monthly fees. Okay. And that's it. And then you're ready to go. So that's basically what the website looks like. And then you get these bonuses. Okay. You get all these bonuses. You get access to our community, these different trainings, all these different trainings like faceless, like how to create your own community, how to do faceless marketing, 200 digital product ideas. If you want to create your own product, okay, you get all this stuff. And that's pretty much the website, right? So this is what you get to use. You get to use this done for you system here. I use this system. Everybody uses this system, guys. You get to use this system. And then once you purchase one of the programs, you just go inside and you have access to your programs. Okay. So here's your certification training is here. You get your certification training, right? I already went through it. I've already got it. So you go through your certification training and here's your program. Okay. Like the phases, phase 1 through phase 6. And then there's additional trainings and you can watch like the Zoom replays. All your training is here. For example, start here. Okay, this is what we're selling, these programs. So you have the resell rights to these programs, these trainings. Okay, so there you go. What to expect inside. You just go through, you start with the start here, you go through all the information. Okay, and then you just go through the training over time, right? And you just implement what you're learning into your life and into your business. Okay, so, and then one of the first things you got to do is you got to set up your website. So you go here, website setup, right? And it shows you how to set up your website. It shows you all the accounts you need to open up, like GoDaddy, okay, your payment processors, things like that. It shows you how to get your own domain at GoDaddy. Like my domain is, 7-figure monk. Okay, get your business email, get your domain. Okay, and then it shows you how to set up your payment gateways like Square, PayPal, etc. Shows you how to set up your payment gateways. Okay, and then yeah, it just shows you how to set up your whole system, how to connect your system to your domain. Okay, you just watch the videos, you can set up in a few hours. Okay, and then once you're set up, it's going to look like this. Okay, you're setting up these pages. Right? Mostly you're just copying and pasting stuff. Okay. And that's it. And that's it. That's the program. That's the product. That's how you access your program. Okay. And your trainings and your bonuses and everything is here. Okay. And then if we go inside of our community, okay, here's where you get access to our community. There's over 59,000 people. So let's go to the win section so I can show you proof that people are making money, guys. Look at, okay. Good Friday is really cool with 500. Dennis made 500. Cool. Okay. Let's see some more. Let's see some more. She got some leads. She had 84 leads. Now she has 121. Okay. And she made $600, guys. She made $600, two $300 sales. Okay. She paid off her mortgage. Okay. Two sales. She paid off her mortgage, guys. That's what I'm saying. Like this business can change your life in so many ways, right? So look at, she made $11,000 a month in March by following our process, guys. She made $11,000 in March. I see these wins every day. It's normal for me. She made $11,000 in March too. There you go. She made $700 in 3 days. There you go. And she made $7,000 in March. Okay. There you go. That's proof that people are making money by following our blueprint, by reselling the programs, following our blueprint. Okay. And then if you go into the classroom, we have more trainings, getting started here, accessing your program. We do these 90-day runs. We teach you how to make, we teach you how to make 30K in 90 days. So you got all these bonus trainings. You got content vaults. Okay. We got all these recording trainings you can watch. So you get trainings in the program, trainings inside of the community. The training is just to help you build your business faster, to help you make money faster. So you just go through every day, 2-hour workday, post your content, go live, post your ads, go through a little bit of training to You don't have to go through a lot of training, just a little bit, 10, 20 minutes here and there, right? That's what I do. Okay. Just watch one of these videos every day. See, we got like a 3-minute video. Watch the video, implement it into your business. That's it. You don't have to like go crazy with the trainings. The most important thing is that you're doing the income earning activities, which is posting content to social media, going live on social media. Okay. For example, here, yeah, let me go back to my page. Okay. Here's my page. Okay. So, like, I post videos about this business on my YouTube channel. Okay. I post a lot of videos about this business, and then I do other mindset stuff and marketing tips as well. So I do long form videos, videos over 10 minutes. Okay. I do short form videos, videos that are like a minute. Okay. All like promoting this business, right? Attracting customers. That's what I do. 7-second videos with words on the screen. Okay. And then I go live. My lives are recorded on YouTube as well. I go live on TikTok. I go live on YouTube. My lives are recorded as well. Then I have posts. Like I do these little posts like this. Okay. These are like value posts. Sometimes I'm just giving people motivation, inspiration, value. Okay. Different value stuff. Sometimes it's business, sometimes it's value. Okay. And then you can go and post free ads. Look at like this is a website. You can go post free ads. I can go post an ad anywhere in the world, right? I'll just go to Michigan. I'm from Michigan. So build wealth. Okay. This is a money making offer. People are looking for ways to make money. So I just go here and I post an ad, right? Just go like this, copy and stuff, paste it, post it. See, this is how you copy and paste ads, free ads. Okay. So that's another thing you can do. So that's pretty much it. So I basically gave you a quick rundown of this business because I don't want to like take up too much of your time. So if you have any questions, just drop it in the comments. And if you want to learn more, just go to sevenfiguremonk.com. Okay. Yeah, go there, enter your email, check your spam, check your promotions folder, check out the PDF, watch the videos, look through the website. And if you have any questions, all you got to do is reply to my emails. You can unsubscribe at any time. Okay. So yeah, I hope this helps. This is the best business out there. In my personal opinion, there's nothing like this. This is a unicorn business. We earn 100% profit, community training, support. I showed you everything. So now just, decide if this is a good fit for you, or maybe share this with somebody else. If you know somebody who's looking for money, looking for ways to make money online, and they're sick and tired of being, stressed out financially, they're sick and tired of being overworked and underpaid, maybe you can share this video with them. Maybe it'll help them. All right. Have a great day. God bless. I'll see you in the next video.